Hey there, Tall Man Clan. We are at the Florida RV Super Show, and the video review that you're about to watch is a segment of a longer stream that we did. So it's not going to be as detailed as our normal long form content, but we hope you enjoy.
Okay, this one is the 16RD. We looked at one of these in 2021. And so I wanted to come over here and see what it feels like now. Real quick from the outside, again, you got an awning that covers about 2/3 of the side, okay? You have a little storage area up front. Actually, it's a huge storage area up front. It's just a little door, okay? Single 20-pound propane tank. All right, back to the 16RD. I love this. This is a cute, cute, cute little trailer, Lisa. It is 16 feet, single axle, not 16 feet, 16RD, single axle, no slide. This is, to me, this is like the perfect single person trailer.
Yeah, this is great because even without the slide, you feel like you have a ton of space in here with the nice bank pad, the way it's designed.
Yep. Well, I'll get up and show you here because we sort of just walked in here. Which, by the way, just we'll just put this down here so you can see that there's no price here on this one, but I have to assume that this one's probably going to be around.
It's on the door.
It's on the door. The price? Oh yeah, look at this, guys. Look at this. Dude, 20 grand. That's awesome. Absolutely awesome. Somebody said we were correct. I'm not sure what the comment was. But all the way in the back, while she's looking that up, first of all, you got wraparound windows. Look at this. Great cross ventilation that we were talking about, but also amazing views. You've got a banquette. Now, that banquette does convert down into be a bed, but it's a generous banquette. What is not in the back area is a place to plug in a TV. So there's no TV back here. If you wanted a TV, it would be here. Okay? Now, that's not bad. Only if you're watching from bed, right? Because the bed is this way, okay? It's an east to west bed. This is not much bigger than a full-size bed. In fact, Lisa, if you want to grab that, I'll show you. Okay. All right, so
There is Robert's
That's
head, and there are his feet.
all right, so I would have to sleep on the outside so my feet can hang down.
Well, or you could just use the shelf there that they can be neatly put
Well,
your
but
feet.
I'm sort of a side to belly sleeper, so my feet can't go down. So I'd have to sleep here, or sleep like this. You're on the kitchen table. Above here is some storage, guys, and it's real deep. Okay, so you can store a lot of stuff up there.
And that is open. That goes all the way back in
Okay.
this deep storage.
We sort of glazed over the kitchen, so we'll turn around to that.
Mm-hmm.
Okay, it's a cute little kitchen, not too big, not too small.
Right. It's got a nice little sink in it. A pretty decent countertop space, to be honest.
Yeah.
2 burner stove. Okay.
Yep.
Underneath the sink, we have some storage.
Hang on, leave that open. Yeah, it's just the one shelf there because your hot water heater and stuff is down there.
Yeah.
Okay.
And then we also have a drawer here.
Right, silverware up there.
And then we do have some overhead storage next to the microwave. And that is some pretty good storage.
I've got some. We'll get an answer for you.
The refrigerator.
Yeah, this is a nice big refrigerator
It
too.
is really big. I'm
Yeah.
shocked.
12 volt. You can feel how cool that is.
It is cool, yes.
Okay. On the toilet. This is a plastic foot flush toilet. Okay. It is a little tight. I remember that from the first time. There's plenty of foot room. I mean, I'm right at the edge, but there's plenty. It's this. I'm literally, to sit the way that I would, I'm pushing against the side. Again, 6'4", I'm a big guy. Okay? If you notice, this countertop is cut out so that you can just slide over just a little bit.
Bob says, thanks for making his morning. Just for the record, Bob, you're the one who asked.
You're the one who asked. If there's not a tree, there's a bush. There's a little space cubby down there for some towels.
Yes.
Okay. There's a little cabinet here. Sorry, let me climb in the shop. Look, this is a tiny trailer, guys.
Yeah,
okay?
no slides. So,
Right, so-
this has got great space for no slides.
Now I'm in the shower.
Okay.
I'm the first one ever in the shower. All right, so 6'4". As you can see, my head's all the way up in there. I'm about 1 inch from touching the screen of the fan. Okay, so not the best shower for a tall person. right? So use my height as reference. There's space in here. It's not horrible. But here's something else. Look at this, Lisa. Again, we just point these things out to you guys. Look at where the soap. It's right where your arm should be, which forces me this way, which puts my shoulder technically outside of the shower.
You can see the side of the shower.
Right?
There. Yes.
So if I want to be in here, I gotta, I'm showering like this.
Lean back up so people can see.
Yeah, right? They should have made this a corner. If this was a corner, that would be perfect up in the front because you're not going to be standing up there anyway. But that's really bad place to have that in a tiny shower. Again, just our opinion, okay? Y'all may feel different, okay?
So I was going to show the leg room there.
Yep.
Okay.
All right.